Hey TikTok, it's your host, Dawn Darkness. Today, we're diving into a recipe that'll add a burst of flavor to your life. My super easy and oh so delicious sweet and spicy mango salsa. Get ready for a taste sensation. Let's whip it up. Gather the tropical goodness. We've got 2 ripe mangoes diced, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, chopped, ½ cup of red onion, finely chopped, a handful of fresh cilantro, minced, and 1 jalapeno, finely diced. Time to bring the heat. Add the juice of 1 lime, a pinch of salt, and a dash of chili powder. Give it a good mix and let those flavors mingle. This salsa is the perfect balance of sweet and spicy. Now, the best part. Enjoy it with your favorite snacks. It's the perfect companion for tacos, nachos, or simply as a refreshing dip. There you have it, my sweet and spicy mango salsa. Give it a try, share the love, and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to tag me if you recreate this flavor explosion. Until next time, happy cooking.